Hello, N3FJZ here with a little departure from the RF work. What you see here is a circuit I built in 2008, which is a Wien bridge or Wine bridge audio oscillator. And it uses BJTs and an incandescent lamp to create the gain balance. And here's the output. And through careful adjustment, you can get it just to oscillate, which from what I understand is the cleanest possible waveform. And of course, if you adjust it too far, you start getting harmonic distortion introduced through clipping. As you bring it down, bring the gain down, it will eventually achieve what looks to me to be a very clean waveform, sine wave. If you lower the gain too much, of course, it just stops oscillating. My oscilloscope has a rudimentary FFT spectrum analyzer, and here's the peak. I got it lined up with this top grid here, and each horizontal division is 500 hertz. So I'm assuming that this here is the second harmonic, which is 10, 20, 30, 45 dB down, if I'm reading this properly. And here I'll demonstrate if you turn the gain, I'm trying to get the screwdriver, okay, here we go. If you turn the gain up too high, you see that the other harmonics start to rise up. And if I bring the gain down just to the point of oscillation, okay, it stopped oscillating. Now we'll bring it back. Okay, and here it looks like it's still about 45 dB down. Again, if I'm reading this properly, I don't normally use an instrument like this. Okay, here's the schematic for that circuit, and the feedback potentiometer is what I was adjusting. To get the different amplitudes. Okay, for this circuit, this particular circuit, the lamp is critical. In this case, I think I measured this lamp as a 6-volt, 25 milliamp incandescent lamp. I don't know what that translates to a part number, but these are old lamps I had laying around. I don't know where they came from, but that's what I used, and it seems to work. Now, there's other designs out there. Let's see, one I included in my drawing here. And it says, note do I have, this circuit may be able to use a higher wattage lamp, not yet tested. And this is, I guess, a 7-watt nightlight lamp, kind you would find in a small night light. But I don't think I built this circuit, so I don't know if it actually would produce an output the way it's drawn. Well, I hope this presentation was useful in some way, and here is just an example of how I built it, and it did its purpose back then. It was one of the first circuits I built Manhattan style right after I got back into amateur radio, starting amateur radio home brewing. So there it is. Take care, everyone. Keep home brewing. This is Rick N3FJZ 73.